Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing my episode 3 of the survival series, and I got a new texture pack, so it looks different now, and I hope you guys like it. But if you guys don't like it, just leave it in the comments and I'll make sure that I get that changed. So yeah, I really like this texture pack, it's pretty cool. So yeah, and there's also that stuff. So yeah, I like it a lot. And today, what we're going to be doing is just sleep. Sleep, sleep, sleep. Nah, I'm just kidding. We're going to be fighting mobs, I think? I don't know. I'm just going to get ready for it. Something like that. For it morning. Okay. Die. Look, I killed you. No, I didn't. He got killed himself. And it's really cool because when you kill them, like, it just has awesome particles. I'm gonna try to go find the spider and see if I can kill that. So I can show you. I hear it, but I can't. Oh, there you go. See, they're so cool. Looks so cool. Now if I kill it, it shows these awesome, like, puffy clouds, and it gives you experience, like usual. Yeah, so that will be also normal. So I thought that was pretty cool. And yeah. So let's go. I think I'm just gonna record until it gets night because it takes a little while. And then when it's night, we'll just start fighting mobs and stuff. Because last episode we just went mining and we just found diamonds and stuff, and then that's pretty cool right there. Look at that. There's like smoke coming off of it. Today I'm gonna just find a different direction to go mining in, because last time we didn't find anything like that's cool. So we're going this way today, and then when it gets dark outside, then we'll just go outside and fight mobs. But that's only when it gets night. Yeah, that's only when it gets night. What? It's different. I don't know what that black box is. Nope. Okay, I know what that is. And I hate it too. I don't like it. Trust me. It's annoying because you never find a way to get rid of it. And yeah, so that's gonna be on our way. So we'll just break it and then we'll keep going. Oh, it clears. That's good. That's good to know. Yeah, it's good to know. Okay, so torch. And I'm thinking of like getting other stuff or something pretty cool for like next episode or something. But it's just good to be playing Minecraft. And if you don't play it, then play it. Cause it's awesome. It is, that's all I have to say. Put a torch. There. So my pickaxe broke. That sucks. No worries, I'll just go make another one. So we go to the crafting table. Is it? Okay. Oh, I need more string because I want to make a bow. Yeah, I want a bow. Cobblestone here. Get that. I have like the whole set of stuff. And hold on, before I do anything else, I'm gonna make sure that I have something like to that for me, but besides that, we don't need anything right now. But some sticks. So we'll it does. And I'll take a crafting table with me just in case we need it. There. Okay, let's go. Let's continue mining. Let's go over here into our new mining area. Hopefully we get lucky, because we haven't gotten lucky to find anything. Like, well, we're lucky to find diamonds and gold, but we need iron, because that's like what we use to mine that. If not, then I guess it just ruined everything. Oh shit. Okay, that's just wrong, and it's scary too. So, wait. Got it. Win this. Have I reached the ground yet? Nope. So, just go for it. Okay. Ow, 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 ow. Kinda scared me. Ugh. Die. Okay, put a torch there. Oh, look, we got lucky. Okay, what's over here? Put a torch over here. Okay, so I'm gonna get this. What the? Oh, hate these skeletons. Ow. So I guess we're already fighting mobs. So go right now. Kill this. Don't kill me, don't kill me, don't kill me. Okay, yeah, we need to place some torches over here. 2, because it's just crazy, and yeah. Make sure it won't bother us. Let me get this. Why did I do that? No worries, because we won't have to come here anymore at all. Get that. I'll be back real quick, guys, because I'm gonna go do something real quick, and it won't be long. I don't have to do this off camera. I'll just pause it and go. I'll be back in like 3 seconds. Okay, guys, sorry for the wait, but yeah, I'm back. Okay, so let's continue. And yeah, so let me check something real quick. Guys, I have 1 minute left, so I think I'm gonna have to end this like now. But yeah, next episode I'll promise you guys that nothing will get in our way anymore. And yeah, so thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next episode. And next episode I'll have just that ready. So bye, guys.